Hey guys, it's Josh the Dashman. Today we're gonna look at Dash. We're gonna look at the charts. We're gonna look at the Genesis mining profitability still, and yeah, we're gonna start off with the coin market cap here. And Bitcoin is trading at $1,176. It's up 0.4%. Ethereum, number two, is trading for $43.82. It's up about 0.6%. Ripple is holding around 3.5 cents. It's a little less than that. It took a 2% hit. Litecoin is at $9.96. It's up 4.24% because of that tweet from that video I made just yesterday about free to pool. Basically saying they might not be supporting SegWit anymore. Dash is up 0.5%. It's at $67.83, and Monero is up at 11.18%. Ethereum Classic is down 0.5%. So let's take a look at the prices here on Poloniex. Dash is $68, and if we look at the value in Bitcoin, it is 0.05796. Alright, so let's take a look at the Dash chart here. And I'm going to take away all of these fib lines. Alright, so let's set up our indicators. We click here, press EMA, or type in EMA, click on two of them, and we want MACD. MACD is a good indicator. It shows volume and some EMA lines on it too. Let's set up, click here, the gear icon. We're going to want to put one EMA line at 13, and we'll leave the color blue. And we want another EMA line, and we're going to make that 34. And we're going to click on style and turn it to, I use pink. You can use whatever you want, to be honest. And we're going to take a look here. And now we're going to draw some fib lines, supports and resistances. These are basically where the price likes to either break through. It's a support, like right here's a resistance, meaning the price has a hard time bouncing above this line. And if it does bounce above that line, it becomes a resistance, meaning it will have a hard time going below it. And it, like I said, it doesn't necessarily have to be a hard time, but it tends to follow these support and resistance lines. So we'll put one here. See, the price rallies around that line. We'll put one here. I gotta click here. Every time you put one, you need to click there on the horizontal line. I'll put one here. One right here. One right here. Yeah, as you can see that price following the line pretty well right now. So let's put another one right here. And we'll do one more right here. Oh, I accidentally clicked off my MACD indicator. Let me pull that back up. No, thank you. Where did my MACD go? I am not sure where it went. Let's go to remove all indicators, and we'll set up our set it up again. There we go. Now let's set our EMA lines back up. yeah, that was definitely pretty weird. I'm not sure what happened there, but we got it taken care of. So the length for the first one is 13, and for the second one we'll make it pink and 34. Alright, these red lines on the MACD indicator, or volume, if the volume was up, the lines would be above this imaginary line that it's following, and if they're below, the volume was lower. So it would be like a red candlestick for the volume. Right now, the price is hovering around the 0.577 mark. I feel like until we hear some fundamental news or a big buyer or a big seller comes into the market, we're just gonna keep going sideways along this line. So I think right now is actually a pretty good time to pick up some Dash. This would have been a better area right down here, or even way down here for this candlestick. That's definitely a good buying time. Yeah, whenever you see this long candlestick, that's a good time to buy. Yeah, throughout this whole between this Fibonacci zone right here, that was a great time to buy. But let's look right here. You see how there's the pink and blue line, the indicators we set up? You can see the overall trend was up at this point in time, and whenever the lines cross and the overall trend is up, the price usually tends to go up. And as you can see, the overall trend right here is down, and the two lines cross, so you can tell that that was a minor downtrend. But for right now, I feel like we're going to be consolidating around this price. I'm waiting to see what these two lines right here, which direction they'll cross. I think we'll most likely the price will go down. So, but I mean, it could go up with anything. The price could go up or the price could go down. It's pretty hard to say, you know, just by looking at it. Though, in my opinion, I'm not by any means a professional. You know, shouldn't take my advice and bet the house on it. But I feel like Dash is going to be going down until we hear some fundamental news, and that's what they call a fundamental catalyst, which will increase the price or decrease it depending on the news that we hear. So that's enough for the chart for now. Let's look over here at our handy dandy mining calculator, and let's actually check and go to Coin Wars and see what the most profitable coins are right now. Mining profitability. Alright, some random shit coins at the top. But the first major coin that you can actually mine on Genesis is Dash. And Ethereum would be the second most profitable coin, but the X11 is the most profitable in my opinion. It has the highest price too, and according to Coin Wars, it's the most profitable. Right now, I have 140 mega hash thanks to a couple people who used my code. Blue Moon just used it, and I appreciate that. Thank you, Blue Moon. About 2 to 3 days ago, someone else used my code for purchase 300 and 100 mega hash for X11 Dash mining. I'm not sure who it was, but thank you guys again. I really appreciate it. That helped out a lot. But if you guys were to use my Genesis mining code, you would actually get 3% off on your entire purchase. You can use my code for Bitcoin, Monero, Dash, Ethereum, Litecoin, any one that you would like to mine. But as of right now, X11 is the most profitable. But the thing is, even if you don't like Dash, you can always convert your Dash back into Bitcoin, or you can convert it into Monero, whichever you would like. So yeah, if you upgrade with Genesis, definitely use my code, and as soon as I get some extra money, I'll I'll use yours. I know I have a few people's code right now. I'm saving up some of my extra money to use their code when I get a chance. I just got a car, and I took a loan out on it, so I'm paying some payments towards that, and that's definitely been eating up my extra money. But anything you guys can do to help would be great. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please like the video, and please leave a comment. I really like reading you guys' comments, and I try to respond as much as possible. Have a great day, and have a great Saturday night.